Do you have sensitive skin or dry, inflamed red skin and you are looking for a solution for your unique skin concern? So, today I am going to dive into the world of skin repair treatments. Hi, I am Dr. Sharmila Nayak, founder of the Skin First Clinic, and I am passionate about empowering and educating people on all things skin, hair and wellness. The topic of skin repair has always been special to me because as a dermatologist, I know how important it is to protect your skin barrier function if you want to have a healthy and young skin. So let's first understand the importance of skin barrier function. It is like your invisible superhero shield which protects your skin from the outside world and also helps in preventing the allergens and irritants from damaging or disturbing your skin, and it also prevents moisture loss. So like all superheroes, your skin barrier also needs some TLC. It is so important to protect this layer and keep it functioning at its optimal best. Couple of years back, I introduced this revolutionary skin treatment in my clinic known as the Skin Revival treatment to help my clients with sensitive skin. I realized that clients who had sensitive skin or a skin condition known as rosacea wanted to experience the goodness of facials and also overcome the challenges of having limited options when it came to selecting skincare products. That's when I realized that yes, I need to help this unique skincare concern by designing a treatment which would help make the skin healthy by repairing the skin barrier function. So the Skin Revival treatment is not just a facial, it is an amazing therapeutic treatment. This treatment helps to lock in the moisture by repairing and filling in the gaps between the skin cells, thereby creating a smooth protective layer. The key ingredients used in this treatment also helps to restore the skin barrier function. It also helps to soothe and calm down stressed skin, thereby reducing the redness and inflammation in the skin. It boosts hydration and radiance, helping you achieve a plump, dewy and glowing skin. And the best thing is it also protects your skin from future damage. Remember, with the right care and right guidance, you can achieve a healthy, radiant skin you deserve, which is exactly what we do at the Skin First Clinic. And don't forget to keep smiling and keep shining.